Collaborating across an AI project is incredibly important from both an internal and an external perspective. Internally, it is vital. I cannot emphasize enough. It is vital that all of the key stakeholders are involved from the beginning. If most of the projects that I see fail to go from development into production are those that did not include information security, compliance, legal, regulatory, oversight, all of these key stakeholders, if they're not brought in from the beginning, you're going to fail. Similarly, when you're talking about external coordination and communication with collaborative partners, sometimes teaming partners, sometimes competimates, you have to be careful on what access you have, what data flows, and how it flows to make sure it's secure. This is where the data management plan with its security overlays is incredibly important. So you have to work with partners, but make sure that all of your data transfer systems are secure, approved, and well coordinated. And that's where I have often said AI is a team sport. Your partners in industry have already faced these problems. We work with Dell at many levels in order to solve some of the just blocking and tackling that you need in order to make sure that you've got a secure solution. So collaboration, internal and external, but it's got to be secure.
So one of the key considerations, right, as you start looking at collaboration on AI or machine learning projects as a whole, right, it's back to that data pillar, right, data security and how you're going to actually disseminate that data and who has the right access. So this is where I say the overlap between both zero trust principles and AI. They're both data-centric architectures. And so applying some of your zero trust, access-based control or attribute-based controls for identity access, and then looking at what that data pipeline looks like. So this goes back to our earlier comment and discussion around, right, what does your data lake look like? Do you have an actual data strategy? Are you building a data mesh? Do you have a data fabric? Do you have access to that data? What's the hygiene of that actual data itself, right? Is it clean? And when you start to look at that across, right, your primary contractor, your subcontractors, right, temporary work, your industry partners that you're collaborating with, this becomes very, very key. To your point, right, bringing those stakeholders in early as a part of your governance strategy, I think is crucial for success.